10 most places to visit in Barcelona. Hola, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the vibrant and culturally rich city of Barcelona. From stunning architecture to delicious cuisine, this city has it all. So, grab your virtual passports, and let's explore the 10 must-visit places in Barcelona. La Sagrada Familia. Visiting La Sagrada Familia in Barcelona is a must for several compelling reasons. La Sagrada Familia is a masterpiece designed by the renowned architect Antoni Gaudí. Its unique blend of Gothic and Art Nouveau styles, intricate details, and innovative design make it a true architectural marvel. As one of Gaudí's most significant works, La Sagrada Familia showcases his genius and vision. Exploring the basilica allows you to immerse yourself in the mind of this extraordinary architect and gain an appreciation for his creative genius. La Sagrada Familia is a basilica dedicated to the Holy Family. Its sacred atmosphere, breathtaking interiors, and the symbolism incorporated into its design make it a spiritually enriching experience for visitors, regardless of their religious background. Every inch of La Sagrada Familia is filled with symbolic elements and artistic details. From the Nativity facade to the Glory facade, each section tells a story through intricate sculptures, carvings, and stained glass windows, creating a rich tapestry of meaning. The basilica's construction, which began in 1882, is still ongoing, making a visit a dynamic experience. Witnessing the ongoing work and comparing the different architectural styles and techniques employed over the years provides a unique perspective on the evolution of the project. Ascending the towers of La Sagrada Familia offers stunning panoramic views of Barcelona. The cityscape, the Mediterranean Sea, and the surrounding landscapes unfold beneath you, providing a breathtaking backdrop to your visit. La Sagrada Familia is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, acknowledging its cultural and historical significance. Exploring this basilica allows you to connect with Catalonia's rich cultural heritage and architectural legacy. Park Güell. Visiting Park Güell is a delightful and enriching experience that offers a multitude of reasons to explore this iconic destination in Barcelona. Park Güell is a testament to the genius of Antoni Gaudí, the renowned Catalan architect. The park served as a playground for his innovative and imaginative architectural and artistic expressions. The structures within the park, including the famous dragon-like mosaic sculpture at the entrance, showcase Gaudí's whimsical and organic design style. The vibrant colors, playful shapes, and intricate details make each element a work of art. Perched on Carmel Hill, Park Güell offers panoramic views of Barcelona. From certain vantage points, you can see the cityscape, the Mediterranean Sea, and even some of Gaudí's other masterpieces on the skyline. The park is adorned with colorful ceramic and glass mosaic tiles, creating a mosaic wonderland. Gaudí's unique architectural elements, such as the viaducts, columns, and terrace walls, blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. The park's design creates a harmonious balance between man-made structures and the beauty of nature. The park's expansive green spaces, shaded areas, and winding pathways provide an ideal environment for relaxation and recreation. It's a perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, a picnic, or simply soaking in the artistic ambience. In essence, a visit to Park Güell is a journey into a surreal and artistic world, offering a harmonious blend of nature, art, and architectural brilliance. La Rambla. Often referred to as the heart of Barcelona, is a bustling and iconic promenade that stretches for about 1.2 kilometers, connecting Plaça de Catalunya to the Christopher Columbus Monument at Port Güell. There are several compelling reasons to explore and experience La Rambla. La Rambla is alive with energy, embodying the vibrant and dynamic spirit of Barcelona. The sides of La Rambla are lined with outdoor cafes and restaurants, providing the perfect setting for people watching. It's an ideal spot to grab a coffee, enjoy some tapas, or indulge in a leisurely meal while soaking in the ambience. The boulevard is flanked by shops, kiosks, and stalls selling everything from local crafts to souvenirs. The middle section of La Rambla is dedicated to flower stalls, known as La Rambla de las Flores. This colorful floral market provides a fragrant and picturesque scene, contributing to the unique charm of the promenade. At the lower end of La Rambla, you'll find Park Güell, a beautiful square surrounded by palm trees, restaurants, and the lively nightlife of the city. It's a popular meeting point and a hub for social activities. La Rambla serves as a central artery, connecting the Gothic Quarter with El Raval. This strategic location makes it a starting point for exploring various neighborhoods and landmarks in Barcelona. The boulevard culminates at Park Güell with the impressive Christopher Columbus Monument. La Rambla hosts various cultural events, parades, and celebrations throughout the year. From local festivals to artistic exhibitions, the boulevard becomes a hub of cultural activities that showcase the diversity and creativity of Barcelona. Barri Gòtic, also known as the Gothic Quarter, is a captivating neighborhood in the heart of Barcelona, steeped in history, charm, and architectural wonders. Exploring Barri Gòtic reveals numerous reasons why this district is a must-visit. Barri Gòtic is a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, alleys, and squares that transport visitors back in time. The district is characterized by medieval architecture, Gothic churches, and well-preserved buildings that reflect the city's rich history. At the heart of Barri Gòtic lies the Barcelona Cathedral, a stunning example of Catalan Gothic architecture. Its intricate facade, serene cloisters, and panoramic views from the tower make it a must-see landmark. Barri Gòtic houses remnants of the ancient Roman city of Barcelona, including sections of the original Roman walls. The district is dotted with charming artisan shops, boutiques, and quirky stores. Exploring these narrow streets reveals hidden gems, from traditional Catalan craft shops to contemporary design boutiques. Barri Gòtic is adorned with picturesque squares, such as Plaça del Pi and Plaça Güell. These squares offer inviting spaces to relax, enjoy a coffee, or experience the vibrant atmosphere. The Picasso Museum, located in the heart of Barri Gòtic, is a treasure trove of the artist's early works. The museum provides insight into Picasso's formative years and his connection to the city. Casa Batlló, an architectural gem located in the heart of Barcelona, is a masterpiece designed by the renowned architect Antoni Gaudí. There are several compelling reasons to visit and explore Casa Batlló. Casa Batlló stands as a prime example of Gaudí's unique and innovative architectural style. From its undulating facade to the rooftop terrace, the building showcases Gaudí's creativity and attention to detail. The building's design is whimsical and fantastical, featuring vibrant colors, organic shapes, and intricate details. The exterior is adorned with mosaic tiles, irregular windows, and a distinctive dragon-like roof. Casa Batlló offers visitors an interactive audio-visual guide that enhances the experience of exploring the house. The guide provides insights into Gaudí's design philosophy and the history of the building. The noble floor, open to visitors, showcases the opulent living spaces of the Batlló family. The rooms are decorated with exquisite furniture, stained glass windows, and other artistic elements, providing a glimpse into the affluent lifestyle of the early 20th century. Casa Batlló is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, contributing to the preservation of Catalonia's cultural heritage. Its architectural significance and artistic value make it a key attraction for those interested in modernist architecture. Casa Batlló takes on a magical quality at night when it is illuminated with a play of lights and colors. The nighttime view of the building is a unique and enchanting experience. Magic Fountain of Montjuïc. The Magic Fountain of Montjuïc is a captivating spectacle in Barcelona that offers a magical and immersive experience. There are several reasons why this iconic fountain is a must-visit. The magic fountain hosts nightly light and music shows, transforming the water into a mesmerizing display of colors and patterns. The synchronization of music, light, and water creates a captivating and immersive experience for spectators. Situated in the Montjuïc neighborhood, the fountain provides a stunning backdrop against the Barcelona skyline. The magic fountain shows are open to the public and free of charge. This accessibility makes it a popular destination for both locals and tourists seeking a delightful and cost-free entertainment option in Barcelona. The fountain is surrounded by neoclassical and Art Deco structures, enhancing its architectural beauty. The overall design of the area, with the Palau Nacional and the Venetian towers nearby, contributes to the aesthetic appeal of the magic fountain. The magic fountain was constructed for the 1929 International Exposition held in Barcelona. Its creation was a collaborative effort of various architects, engineers, and artists, and it has since become a symbol of the city's commitment to art and innovation. The fountain operates on a regular schedule, providing multiple opportunities for visitors to witness its magical performances. The magic fountain creates a festive and celebratory atmosphere, especially during special occasions and holidays. The combination of water, light, and music evokes a sense of joy and wonder, making it a memorable experience for spectators. The magic fountain is a family-friendly attraction, appealing to visitors of all ages. Children, in particular, are often mesmerized by the spectacle, making it a suitable and enjoyable activity for families. Camp Nou, the iconic stadium and home of FC Barcelona, is a pilgrimage site for football enthusiasts and a must-visit destination for various compelling reasons. Camp Nou is one of the most revered football stadiums globally and is considered a mecca for football lovers. The sheer magnitude of the stadium and its rich history make it a must-visit for fans of the sport. Camp Nou is the official home of FC Barcelona, one of the world's most successful and beloved football clubs. For fans, visiting the stadium is a way to connect with the club's legacy and immerse themselves in its illustrious history. The stadium has witnessed countless legendary football matches, including European Cup finals, El Clasico encounters against Real Madrid, and historic moments in the club's history. The atmosphere during live matches is electric and unforgettable. Camp Nou offers a museum that chronicles FC Barcelona's history, showcasing memorabilia, trophies, and exhibits dedicated to the club's greatest players. Guided tours allow visitors to explore the stadium, including the locker rooms, players' tunnel, and the pitch itself. Camp Nou is the largest stadium in Spain and one of the largest in Europe, with a seating capacity exceeding 99,000 spectators. The sheer size of the stadium adds to the grandeur and intensity of the football experience. The stadium features the Barca store, a vast retail space offering official FC Barcelona merchandise, jerseys, and souvenirs. It's a paradise for fans looking to take home a piece of the club. Outside the stadium, visitors can find the monumental sculpture dedicated to FC Barcelona's founder, Joan Gamper. It's a significant landmark that pays homage to the visionary who established the club. Picasso Museum. The Picasso Museum in Barcelona is a cultural treasure that art enthusiasts and history lovers should not miss. There are several compelling reasons to visit this museum. The museum primarily focuses on Picasso's formative years and early works, providing a unique insight into the artist's evolution and the development of his distinctive style. Housed in 5 medieval palaces in the heart of the Gothic Quarter, the museum's setting itself is a historical marvel. The buildings add to the ambience, creating an immersive experience that combines art with the architectural charm of Barcelona. The museum boasts an extensive collection of over 4,000 works by Picasso, including paintings, drawings, sculptures, and ceramics. It offers a comprehensive overview of his prolific career, from his adolescence to his Blue Period and beyond. One of the highlights of the museum is Picasso's unique interpretation of Diego Velázquez's Los Meninas. The series showcases Picasso's innovative approach to art, deconstructing and reimagining a masterpiece from art history. In addition to its permanent collection, the museum hosts temporary exhibitions, featuring works by Picasso and other artists. These exhibitions provide fresh perspectives and allow visitors to delve deeper into specific aspects of Picasso's art. The museum features a charming courtyard that serves as a tranquil oasis within the bustling city. The architecture of the building itself is noteworthy, and visitors can appreciate both the artworks and the historic surroundings. The museum is situated in the heart of the Barri Gòtic, Gothic Quarter, making it conveniently located for visitors exploring the historic center of Barcelona. It's an integral part of the city's cultural and artistic tapestry. Tibidabo. Tibidabo, perched majestically atop the Collserola mountain range overlooking Barcelona, is a multifaceted destination that offers a rich blend of religious, recreational, and natural experiences. Here are several compelling reasons to visit Tibidabo. At the summit of Tibidabo stands the Temple Expiatory del Sagrat Cor, expiatory church of the Sacred Heart of Jesus. The church is a neo-Gothic masterpiece with a monumental bronze statue of Jesus Christ at its apex, offering panoramic views of Barcelona. Tibidabo Amusement Park, established in 1901, is one of the oldest amusement parks in Europe. It combines vintage attractions with modern rides, providing a nostalgic yet thrilling experience for visitors of all ages. Tibidabo offers breathtaking panoramic views of Barcelona and the surrounding coastline. The elevated location provides a unique vantage point to appreciate the city's layout, landmarks, and the Mediterranean Sea. The mountain is part of the Collserola Natural Park, offering opportunities for hiking and enjoying nature. The park provides a serene escape from the urban hustle, with trails winding through lush greenery and offering glimpses of local flora and fauna. Accessing Tibidabo involves a journey on the historic Tibidabo funicular, which has been transporting visitors up the mountain since 1901. The funicular itself is a nostalgic experience, blending history with modern convenience. Tibidabo is a family-friendly destination, with a range of activities catering to different age groups. From the amusement park rides to the outdoor spaces, it provides an ideal setting for a day out with family. Barceloneta Beach. Finally, no trip to Barcelona is complete without a visit to Barceloneta Beach. Barceloneta Beach, situated along the coastline of Barcelona, is a vibrant and iconic destination that beckons both locals and visitors with its unique blend of sun, sea, and lively atmosphere. Here are several reasons why Barceloneta Beach is a must-visit. Barceloneta Beach offers a picturesque stretch of golden sands along the Mediterranean Sea. The inviting blue waters and the gentle sea breeze create a tranquil and refreshing environment. The beach is bordered by a palm-lined promenade, providing a scenic pathway for leisurely strolls and bike rides. The promenade is dotted with cafes, bars, and shops, adding to the overall lively atmosphere. Barceloneta Beach is a hub for water sports enthusiasts. Visitors can enjoy activities such as windsurfing, paddleboarding, and beach volleyball. The beach offers stunning views of Barcelona's skyline, providing a unique perspective of the city. The silhouette of iconic landmarks, such as the W Barcelona Hotel, enhances the scenic beauty of the coastline. And there you have it, our top 10 must-visit places in Barcelona. If you've been to any of these spots or have other recommendations, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel adventures. Until next time, adios amigos.